Now, for also the investors that we're talking to right now that don't fully understand the mechanics of these things, could you maybe take a second just to explain the daily reset feature that is found within these ETFs?
Sure. So I think in the one hand, this is a product that's super simple to understand in that on a daily basis, the investment objective, if it's, for example, NVDL, which we're talking about, that's to provide 2 times the daily performance of NVIDIA, the stock. So if the price of NVIDIA goes up by 2% today, then NVDL is designed to go up by 4%, less, of course, obviously associated fees, etc. So where this gets a little bit more complicated is what you just referred to, which is the daily reset, which is in order to give 2 times leverage every day, we call these, or sometimes they're referred to as constant leverage ETFs, which means it doesn't matter when you buy it. You could buy it today, you could buy it in 6 months' time or 6 years' time. You'll always get that investment objective, which is the 2x leverage. And the way that we do that is to rebalance the portfolio, rebalance the ETF at the end of each day. That literally means that the portfolio is then re-hedged to the correct leverage amount for the beginning of next day. Now, the difference, or the way that that translates over time is you have a difference between the performance of the ETF and the linear performance of 2x times the stock, and that performance will diverge over the time. It's called path dependency. And so when you're rebalancing every day, you introduce a path dependency feature to it, which means that the return over time may not be exactly 2 times the underlying, and that's completely by design in order to give that 2x on a daily basis.
That I think is so much key that investors just need to hear, because I think not enough people understand that about the leverage ETFs, where it may not be for their strategy. It may not be specifically for what they're looking to do with their investment philosophy and their portfolio. So thank you so much for explaining that. That daily reset is not necessarily going to mimic the 2 times return over time, just as you said. Thank you for clarifying.
Yep.
Um, Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Content is offered for information purposes only. Unless stated otherwise, any and all individuals participating in the video are third parties that include both professional investors and individual investors who may not be licensed or certified by any institute or regulatory body. Unless stated otherwise, the views or opinions expressed may not reflect those of Seeking Alpha as a whole. The accuracy and completeness of content shared cannot be guaranteed. Seeking Alpha does not take account of your objectives or financial situation and does not offer any personalized investment advice. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank.